Sure, here's a 400-word YouTube video script in the Super Wheelz style for the Mazda CX-5, complete with subheadings and a note to subscribe. Intro, welcome to Super Wheelz. Hey Super Wheelz fam, today we're diving into a car that's been quietly dominating the compact SUV segment for years. It's stylish, practical, and just oozes class without screaming for attention. Yep, we're talking about the Mazda CX-5. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a drop of our hottest car reviews, comparisons, and features from the world of Wheelz. Design that hits different. The Mazda CX-5 stands out with its clean, premium design language. It doesn't go overboard with aggressive lines or unnecessary flair. Instead, it gives you elegant curves and a bold front grille that's more luxury than mainstream. Whether you're rolling into the office or pulling up at a weekend getaway, the CX-5 looks sharp from every angle. Interior vibes and comfort. Step inside, and Mazda keeps the momentum going. The CX-5's cabin is surprisingly upscale. Soft touch materials, minimalistic design, and a quiet, insulated cabin make you feel like you're sitting in a higher-end SUV. The infotainment is intuitive, the layout is clean, and the seats are road trip ready. It's the kind of SUV you actually want to spend time in. Performance that connects you to the road. Now here's where Mazda gets it right. The CX-5 delivers driving dynamics that are rare in this segment. The steering is responsive, the handling is tight, and it just feels planted, especially when you take corners. You can go with the standard engine or upgrade to the turbocharged option for a sportier feel. Either way, it offers a refined and smooth ride that's hard to beat. Practicality meets personality. It's not just a pretty face. The CX-5 is practical, too. There's plenty of cargo space, decent rear legroom, and good fuel economy. Safety features are packed in, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. It's the full package: style, substance, and safety all rolled into one. Outro, join the Super Wheelz crew. If you're looking for a compact SUV that blends performance, comfort, and class without breaking the bank, the Mazda CX-5 deserves a test drive. Thanks for riding with us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button to join the Super Wheelz crew for more awesome car content coming your way. Want a longer version or a deeper dive into the trim levels and features?